Okay guys, so we haven't figured out where the coolant leak in the engine was. So one of the things we're first going to do too here is check out this intercooler, which comes from the intake manifold. It's just got a clamp around it that holds it on. And so it's really dirty. Sludge came out of the coolant. I'll show you that in a second. And so we're just going to put this in a bucket of water and force air through it and see if it'll leak anything in the bucket. All right, and that's the junk that came out of the intake. So it's pretty dirty in there. We'll wash that out too. All right, so we have the intercooler in a bucket of water. I put a little hydraulic cap right here I can hold in. And then we're just gonna push air down in here, and if we see any bubbles, then we know the intercooler is leaking. And you can stick your thumb in here too, but just try and get it and put pressure in there. And it's not doing anything, so this guy's good. No leaking. Now we need to test our oil cooler. And so, water comes in one side and then comes out the other. So if we put some water in either one of these sides and it's down in these grooves so it can't get out, cover up one hole and put pressure in here. If it's leaking, it'll shoot out water out of one of these two holes. So we'll put a little bit of water in there. Got water. Now we'll take this and shoot some air in it. And it's not pushing water out of either one of these guys. Right? Still getting our nasty oil out though. One more time. I can see water in both. Now just for fun, we'll push on this side. All right, it's not coming out of either hole, so we should be good on this too.